Guys, it's not easy to be a bear in a bull market. And fortunately for us, we got a formula how we calculate when it pays to be a bull and when it pays to be a bear. And guys, I got some incredible news for you. We're about to experience some of the most amazing opportunities where you can make money when stocks actually drop. Now, if you're a new trader, you may not realize that some of the biggest fortunes in the stock market, trading options, were created when markets were falling. Some of the billion-dollar traders, they have turned their fortunes literally on the opposite of what most of the people were doing. Yes, they were the contrarians, but you don't just want to be a contrarian when it's not time to be a contrarian. You don't want to be a bear when it's not time to be a bear. So if you'd like to know the secrets, how to make fortunes when stocks drop, utilizing very simple weekly option strategies, guys, I'd like to invite you where I can show you what's possible with weekly options. Simply click the link below this video. Sign up for the webinar right now. Take action so you can make your 2019 your best trading year ever. Done.